Alright guys, the long-awaited update. Kind of completed, but not really. Dealership, I went ahead and left the car there because, you know, I didn't want to have to wait for when the parts came in to have to schedule them to be able to get to it, so just left it there. It took forever to get the pieces. They called, let me know it was ready to go, but there's still one piece they're waiting on. But they didn't want me to wait any longer because this part's, it's not as difficult, not hard to change out, they said. But I did get the windshield tinted, the ceramic coat tinting, the same as what the sides are. I wasn't sure how I would like it, but man, it's awesome. You can tell a difference in the heat, just the sunlight, everything. I mean, it's great. But here's the new dash panel pieces. So they had to replace all of this piece because that corner right there was what was messed up. So not too bad. I mean, I've seen worse on the stitching. I've seen some that are like really wavy, but it looks all right. I just don't know what's going to happen. If this does it again, there is like a little leather dimple right there, but not that worried about it. It's just part of the leather, I guess. But yeah, I don't know if it does this again. That's not a bubble. It's just the way it's not clean, I guess, because it's very straight. That panel right there in the corner, the speaker cover, is the one that's still got to be changed. One of the reasons why I left the car as long as I did was because of that fuel recall, which I don't top off the vehicle anyway, but just to be safe, you know, I was hoping they was going to get a fix to that while I had the car there, but I picked it up a couple days ago, just now getting to make the video, but they didn't have the fix yet. So I did see on the internet that it looks like GM might have the fix now. I just don't know when that's going to roll out. But I will show you the last piece that I'm waiting on. So this is the piece I was talking about. You could see where the leather like separated, and you can actually see the staples. So this one actually had staples that was holding it up underneath there. I guess it came off. But comparison to the other video, that's how mine looked factory. But if you remember the previous video, and I'll put a picture in here just to show the differences, but you can see all the staples up underneath there. It had receded so bad. But you can definitely tell now that it's good to go as far as that piece. But the tint does look really good. I mean, it's not super dark, but it's definitely noticeable. I mean, the sides and the back and everything are legal here in Georgia, but I think the windshield, you're not supposed to tint the windshield, but unless you have a medical reason. But I mean, I've drove it already at nighttime, and there's not any difference. I mean, you can see out of it fine. It's not any difference than having my glasses tinted or wearing sunglasses. We'll see how long it lasts. I guess my next option is, if it does it again, do the 2LZ interior, I guess. I don't know. I hate that though, because I wanted the yellow stitching. And I don't know, does the 2LZ have like any type of stitch work on it, or is it just straight black? Anybody out there in the comments, let me know. I haven't really looked at the 2LZ to see, but if it does it again, that's definitely an option, because I still have a year and 4 months before the bumper-to-bumper warranty is over. So hopefully we don't experience this no more, but that's my backup plan. Anyway, on that note, hope you guys have a great weekend. Weather's been great here, just doing a lot of work. And I will catch you guys on the next one. All right, bye.